Channing, all the people who are thinking critically during this time ended up being able to use it immediately on their FSA. Cover-up is a strategy that we're going to use when we're taking a test that has multiple choice questions. The name of the exercise is The name of the exercise is So as soon as you receive this paper, all we need to do is write your name at the top, not even a heading, and then read the 6 questions that are on the front. I don't want you to solve them. I don't want you to write a heading. You're just going to read the 6 questions that are on the front. Exercise is cover-up, and it has to do with taking a multiple choice test and looking at multiple choice questions. I'd like to hear somebody make a prediction about what it is you think that I'm going to be covering up. I found out today that some of you are already kind of familiar with doing something like this. Chandra?
I think I'm going to cover up either the tenths, the hundredths, or the thousandths.
So you think I'm going to be covering up place values and looking like this?
Yes.
I can tell that you're thinking. You're not right, but I can tell that you're thinking, so that's good. Another idea? Who has a different idea than Chandra? What do you think I'm going to cover up with this sticky note? This is something that good test takers do. Haven?
Cover up the answer before you solve the problem.
All right. Now, Haven, we're going to go farther than that. Yes, we're going to cover up the answer choices, but raise your hand if you've ever heard of process of elimination. Okay, so that's a good skill, but this is like this skill, but even better. So right here we have what kind of problem? Play a hand. Right here we have what kind of problem? Thomas? It's an addition problem. We're adding what? Channing?
We're adding decimals.
We're adding what?
Decimals and whole numbers.
All right, we're adding decimals and a whole number. Which one of these add-ins is the biggest? Which one of these add-ins is the biggest? Jakai?
The first one.
Read me it.
801.
Try it again.
801 and 3 tenths.
So if 800 is what I'm starting with, and I'm adding to that, talk to me about the right answer. What's the right answer going to look like? If I'm starting with 800 and I'm adding to that, the right answer has to be Avery?
Bigger.
Bigger. All right, now let's go even farther than that. We're going to use estimation. So 801 and 3 tenths is really, really close to just being what? Jade?
800.
Just 800. I want you to go ahead and in this white space next to the problem, write down 800. 94 is close to what? Is it closer to 90 or 100? Is 94 closer to 90 or 100? Tayana? 90. And the last add-in, 400ths. Taylor, 400ths isn't even close to what? 10?
800.
I have 400ths. Think about dollars and cents. If I have 4 pennies, am I even close to having a dollar? No. So if I have 400ths, I'm not even close to having. Say it again. 1. Right. In other words, it's almost like there's nothing there. So if I estimate my answer, it should be pretty close to what? It should be pretty close to what? If you're tracking, then you have your hand up. Four people? Brianna?
It should be close to. Wait, one of the answer choices or?
So, Brianna, have we even looked at the answer choices yet? Nope, I'm just estimating. My answer should be somewhere in the ballpark of what number?
800 something.
800 what?
890.
890. Not exactly 890, but close. Not exactly 890, but
Close.
So let's go ahead and look at the answer choices. Who sees an answer choice that's too small? Who sees an answer choice that's too small? Gia?
A.
I want you to cross out A and next to A write too small. Show me with your fingers how many O's there should be in the word two? Good. I saw some folks in the last couple of homeworks only putting one on there. Who sees an answer choice that's much too large? Makai?
C.
Is C way too big to be 890?
I mean, well, it's bigger than the.
Is it a lot bigger? Because remember, we were estimating, Makai, we were just in the ballpark of 890. Is C a lot bigger than 890? Do you see another number, Makai, that's a lot bigger than 890?
D.
Letter D. What do you see, Makai?
That it says 985 and 3,400.
Good. I want you to cross out letter D and write too large or too big. So I'm down to B or C. I'm down to B or
C.
So now what would I want to do on my notebook paper? Now that I know that A and D are out of the question, now what am I going to go do on my notebook paper? Should see every hand. Star?
Add the problem.
Great. In other words, add the actual decimals and do my check problem. I want you to slide your eyes down to 2. Quiet head to read number 2. We're going to do 2 more together.